Hi, this is Crazy Tales from the Southwest Backpacker, and today I want to give you a review and demonstration on the Casio G'zOne Rock that I have right here. I actually have their old model, the G'zOne, that I've been using for the last 2.5 years, and it's a great phone. Very durable, waterproof, weatherproof. This thing has taken a beating and it still works just fine. But I wanted to update to their new version because the new version has a whole lot more than what the old one has. And it also has some really cool features called G's Gear, which is exclusive to the Casio G'zOne Rock. Okay, so the Casio G'zOne Rock is exclusively made for Verizon Wireless. So the only way you can really use the phone is if you are a customer with Verizon Wireless. I happen to have Verizon Wireless because it's the only coverage that I can pretty much get in the area that I live. So I thought this phone would be really cool to get, and it turns out it is a really good phone. I've had it for about 2.5 months, and I've got it to put it to a pretty good test. So let me show you what the G's Gear features are all about. This is a charging dock that comes with the phone. I'll just pull it off there. It's actually like a cradle. You just slap it in there and it actually charges it up. So to go to the G's Gear, what we're going to do is push the button on the very bottom here. Actually, what we'll do is just open up the phone and push the button on the side. There is G's Gear. One of the great things about G's Gear is the features on here. For example, number 1 is Earth Compass. Push the Earth Compass, and it has a compass on here that will tell you the direction of magnetic north. So it's a great feature to have if you want to just break out the phone real quick and see which direction north is. You can do it right here. It also has a walking counter if you're measuring your calories. This will measure how far you're walking and how many calories you're burning. Never actually used it yet, but I hope to use it here pretty soon. My favorite here is the thermometer. There's an actual thermometer on here, and it will tell you the degrees in Celsius and Fahrenheit. 73.7 degrees right here. So that's a really great feature to have. Also, there is the tides, high tide and low tide for coastal areas. So if you live next to if you live on a coastal area, this is a great feature to have. Or if you're just visiting, sea kayaker or a paddler out there, this would be some great information to have if you were out there. Also, there is a sunset sunrise calendar. Tells you when the sun's going to set and when the sun will rise in your position. It's a very handy feature to have, especially if you're out backpacking. Also has a Astro Calendar, which tells you the moon phases. I think we are almost at a full moon tonight. Maybe one more night and I think we'll have a full moon. And it also has the cosmic view, which shows the Earth, Moon, and the Sun and the alignment. So those are the G's Gear features that are on this phone. These are exclusive to this phone only. You don't need to change your plan in order to use these features. It just comes with this phone, so it's a really cool feature to have. It also has your MP3 player. I've got some music on a card here. I'll go to the Southwest Backpacker theme song here. So you can see here on the front, I could actually pause it just by pushing the bottom here. Oh, I got it on lock mode. Push the bottom to pause it, push it again to play it, or advance to the next song. I've got Tool on there. I like Tool. So that's your standard MP3 player. And it's got, you know, your standard cell phone Verizon wireless setup in here. You know, it's got your video mode and your picture mode. In fact, here we're going to show you some raw video of this phone actually in use, so you get a chance to see what the raw video looks like. So take a look at this. Okay, this is some of the test video on my G'zOne Rock made by Casio. You can zoom in on the video. You cannot do this with the picture mode. It's kind of a bummer because it would be nice to zoom in on some of your pictures to be able to get a little closer and snap them, but this is the video mode, and it's pretty decent. The old G'zOne Rock only did 15 seconds of video. It did not have an SD card. You had to save everything internally. This one actually has a micro SD card, and so you can record unlimited amount of video, but whatever your video card will hold. So what we're looking at here is some ivy geraniums in bloom. It's pretty cool. Okay, so as you can see, the video isn't the greatest, but it's your standard cell phone video. But with the SD card, you can actually save quite a bunch of video, unlimited. As long as you got a really big SD card plugged into here, you should be okay. Now you're probably wondering what the Nalgene bottle is all about. I'm actually going to do a demonstration of the waterproof capabilities of this phone right now. Now I'm pretty confident that they work, and I'm going to use my actual phone to do this. So I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to click over to the video mode, and I'm going to record. I'm going to record dropping this into our Nalgene bottle right here. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to hit record. Okay, so now we're actually recording. We got both cameras going here. That's what we got. So we got both cameras recording.
This is the one that I'm actually going to drop into the Nalgene bottle here to do a test. I'm going to set this down. And there we go. Open up the cap. And I'm just going to drop this right in there. And we'll see what happens.
Okay, it's completely submerged in the water. Tip it upside down. Flip it back over. There's the camera, and it's recording right now as we speak. So let's take it out and show you guys the waterproof capabilities. Alright, there you have it. That is raw footage of it being thrown right into this Nalgene bottle, and turned out to work just fine. Everything is A-OK with it, and it'll continue to work. This is Crazy Tales from the Southwest Backpacker, and I thank you for watching my demonstration and review on the G'zOne made by Casio.